Hi, and welcome back. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add a recall outcome to a clinical record. In iBooked Clinical, outcome status types are configured by you or your practice administrator in Settings. These can be customized to suit your practice and can represent any outcome you require, such as urgent referral to an ophthalmologist or recall patient for follow-up. Before you can add a recall outcome, make sure you have created the appropriate outcome status types in Settings so that meaningful options are available to select. The Outcome section of the Outcome and Management Plan tab also includes two additional fields, Recall and Recall Unit. The Recall field is a numerical value, such as 12, while the Recall Unit specifies the corresponding unit of time, such as days, weeks, months, or years. Together, these fields define the period after which the patient should be seen again. For example, entering a recall value of 12 with a recall unit of months indicates that the patient's next appointment should be in 12 months. These fields can also be used when recording referrals. For example, you may create an outcome status of refer routinely to an ophthalmologist and specify a recall period of 18 weeks, indicating that the patient should be seen by the specialist within 18 weeks of the referral. There is also a comments box where you can record any additional information to support the selected outcome. Once you are happy with the outcome, click the green Save button to save it. It is important to understand that creating an outcome with a recall period is for record-keeping purposes only. On its own, it does not create a patient reminder or cause the patient to appear in searches for patients who are due another appointment. To create an active reminder, an additional step is required. To the right of the Outcome section, you will see a green Create Reminder button. Click this button to create a reminder that will allow the patient to appear in searches when they are due to be seen again. After clicking Create Reminder, the Outcome section will collapse. Click the pencil icon to reopen it and view the reminder details. Next to the outcome, you will now see a small reminder grid displaying the following information. Next visit due by, the calculated due date based on the recall value, recall unit, and the date of the current visit. Complete indicates whether the reminder has been completed. Invitation sent, the number of reminder communications that have been sent. Last invitation, the date the most recent reminder communication was sent. While a reminder remains incomplete, the patient will continue to appear in searches for patients who are due another appointment. Once a reminder is marked as complete, the patient will no longer appear in these searches. Reminders are normally marked as complete when the patient returns for their next appointment. If you attempt to create a new reminder while the patient already has an active, incomplete reminder, iBooked will display a reminder prompting you to complete the previous reminder first. The invitation sent count increases automatically each time a communication containing visit information is generated for the patient. For more information, please see the tutorial, How to Create a Communication Queue and Add Patients Using Filters in the Communicating with Your Client section of the support pages. The last invitation date records when the most recent reminder communication was sent. At the bottom of the reminder grid, you will normally see three buttons: Update, Mark Complete, and Delete. If you need to change a patient's reminder, first edit the recall and recall unit fields and save the outcome. Reopen the outcome and click Update in the reminder grid. The next visit due by date will be recalculated using the updated recall values. If the reminder is no longer required because the patient has returned for their appointment, click Mark Complete. This marks the reminder as completed and removes the patient from reminder searches. If the reminder was created in error or you no longer require it, you can permanently remove it by clicking Delete.